Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify EV breaker trips and load spikes using Emporia, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify EV breaker trips and load spikes using Emporia, begin by ensuring your Emporia device is properly connected to your home's electrical system. Download the Emporia app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, connect your Emporia device following the on-screen instructions. Navigate to the main dashboard of the app to view your energy consumption. Locate the circuit associated with your EV charger. Observe the live data to monitor your energy usage in real time. To check for any recent breaker trips, go to the historical data section in the app. Look for any spikes in energy consumption that may indicate a load spike or breaker issue. Take note of the time and duration of any significant spikes. If you notice frequent trips, consider checking the breaker panel for any visible issues. You may also want to reset the breaker and monitor the circuit again for further trips. If problems persist, consult a licensed electrician for a professional assessment. Review any notifications in the app that may indicate irregularities. Use the app to set alerts for when energy usage exceeds a certain threshold. This will help identify future load spikes more proactively. Keep an eye on your energy usage patterns over time to catch any anomalies. Document your findings to track any trends related to the EV charger. By following these steps, you can effectively verify breaker trips and load spikes with the Emporia system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.